So welcome all the Amazon sellers to this particular special video training. And this particular training, I'm going to talk about how you can improve your Amazon search results organically. How you can really improve your organic ranking of a particular product, whatever you're listing on your Amazon store. And this will be very useful in all those cases where you are the private label or you are the manufacturer and you're competing against many other competitive brands, or even if you are selling something which is a multi-seller product and you have a buy box, you can definitely use everything what I'm going to share in this particular video to get more sales, get a better organic ranking of your products, and just just have to implement whatever I'm sharing with you. So stay till the end, take the knowledge, take the learning, and just implement to your business to make it a better business for yourself. So in this video, I'm going to share a completely free method. You don't have to invest any money for that. You just need to spend some time, create certain organic URLs, and start sharing on wherever you're getting the traffic from. There are many sources of traffic for your business, and one of the most important traffic could be the social media. People are there on social media. If you represent your product on social media, there's a system to it altogether. If you're a part of my mentorship program, you know what I'm talking about. So there's a complete system on complete social media handling and everything. So whatever ways to improve your organic ranking on the Amazon, you need to share a particular link with your Amazon customer, with any customer you are promoting your product, to get a better result. So how to do it? Absolutely free of cost. That exactly I'm going to share with you. So let's get started. Yeah, so now I'm on my screen and you can see my screen. It says Amazon Super URL Tool. Create smart links that boost your Amazon search ranking and increase product sales. And the best part is this absolutely for free. Now you can see yourself, it says optimize your organic search positions, boost your conversion rates, and increase your sales. Give users a direct link to several of your products at once. Refer users from your own pre-landing pages and and your whole campaign directly to your products. You don't need to you never have to send your customer to a crowded place. You when you send a link to your product, it gives so many other options to it. So what I'm going to share with you is it's completely super easy process. It's completely for free. How to get it and everything, just understand what are the 7 different possibilities for you in this video. So option number 1 is, first of all, you need to select whatever marketplace you're operating in. You're operating in .com, .in, .france, whatever you're operating in. Let's go for .in. That's what my marketplace is all about. So it says 2-step super URL via brand. That means you have to direct your users to such a search result which will only and only populate your brand. So we are now on the first option, 2-step super URL via brand. Direct your search result that will include product from your brand. How to do it? Like, you choose a marketplace, you put your brand name here. This is a column for the brand name, like this. You put up the brand name. You put up a keyword. Done. Let me just put the keyword here. You can also define your pricings, like product which is ranging from say 200 to 600. You can create a link. Now I'll show you exactly how this is going to benefit you. Right now the link is ready. Let's open this link. You open the link and what you see on the screen is your own products. These are my products, filtered out results. On the top of the search bar, it gives the keyword which I have made a URL for that, and it is only showing my product to the customers, so customer can easily pick up and buy my product. That's option number 1. It's all organic. Now the beauty of this thing is customer landed only on your product, and once they buy, your product will start ranking on the keywords which you have entered while you created this particular URL. Second step, similar step, if you don't want to like this, again you can do via ISIN. You can put the ISIN optional here, and again the brand name and the keywords. Option number 3, 2-step super URL via secret keywords. Now how it works for you is, again you select the marketplace, You have to select the keywords out here. So just put in one keyword. You can put more keywords out here. You can just put more keywords also, and you need to put an ASIN to it. One ASIN you want to rank for, say, 3 or 4 product, whatever keyword you want to rank. Just create a link, open. What you see on the screen is your product on the top. What the search result was for banking exams, and your product was on top. So now customer will get the feeling that, oh, for the banking exams your product is topping the charts, and hence there more propensity to buy. And all these things you need to use scientifically in your campaigns. You run email marketing campaigns, you run social media campaign, you run paid ads, or whatever you do, you need to use the strategies what you are learning here to your benefit. Then you got canonical URLs, very super feature of this particular tool, wherein you send the customer directly to your own listing page. How to do it? Marketplace, your keyword, all your keywords are here. Give one ASIN to it, create a link, and see what happens. Where we landed up? We landed directly to the product purchase page. Right now this product is out of stock. I've just selected one random ASIN, but your customer is going to come directly to the purchase page. Directly is going to put a buy button here and just going to buy the item from you. Then you got add to cart button, wherein you want to straight away direct your customer that, okay, this is the this thing, and here you can let me just bring any ASIN. Let me just bring this. I have a stock. Let me just get something which has got more stock to it. Okay, I got 2 stock for this product, right? Let me copy ASIN, come back here, and I just want to put a 2 here, create a link, and just open. What's going to happen is add to shopping cart. Now 2 quantities have been added directly to the shopping cart of the customers. So it saved time of the customer. And if your campaign says so that you can buy minimum of 2 products to get such a discount and all that stuff, your campaign is designed in such a manner, you can simply create a link and use it to your benefit. Let's come to the next feature of super URL tools. Buy it together. You want to sell multiple products, make one cart for your customer. What you need to do is pick up your marketplace, ASIN 1, ASIN 2, ASIN 3, ASIN 4. So at least 2 ASINs you need to put to make a big cart for yourself. The quantities. So let's do it together. Let me just do it together with you, so that I'm just picking something which is available at my store immediately. So I'll put 2 in this particular quantity. I will check this stuff, copy here. I'll put 2 and I'll add one more, maybe one more product here, like this one. I can keep here this, and 2, create link, open. The customer has a cart filled with all your products. Super amazing. This is all organic improvement areas, and to get more sales from your campaign. Just understand the whole concept. Another option, targeted ASIN search URL. What do you want to do here? You put your 3 ASINs here and see the results. What's going to happen here is use your ASINs to send people to Amazon search result, but that only includes a list of your product. You want to send your customer to a page, to only a page which has got these limited results. So let me just create a page like this. I've given, just give a moment, I've added these 3. I've not copied. Perfect. Create link. Okay, this is saying like this. Done. Open. And boom, we got this product only. This is showing 2 listing because this is 2 listing in the whole Amazon thing. This is something which is very old listing of the same product which is not available, and this is something which I have listed. So you can see the search results. It's only showing here. So you need to understand the whole game plan. This is the game plan for this. This is the whole game plan you can create. So this is a tool which is super easy, free to use, And last is clean product page super URL. You can direct people to a version of your listing that contains no ads or product filters, forcing people to only focus on your item. Very, very simple strategy. I've done one, so let me open this for you. Close this. It's only focusing on one product. See this? It's directly latching and landing the customer to directly your own product. No ads, no filters, nothing here and there. Straight away you are getting the customer directly to your own product page. So use this particular feature free of cost. I've given the link so they can directly come to the super URL links. You can bookmark the link and start using it. This is going to help you in 3 different ways. Wherever you're using something with the keywords, it's going to improve your organic results on those keywords because you are selling your product on those keywords. Now Amazon algorithm will understand the sale has happened because the customer was searching that particular keyword. Of course, you will be able to increase your conversion rates in all your campaigns, your email campaigns, your landing page campaign, whatever you are running on. You can send directly your customer to add to cart. You can directly place a add to cart button on the funnel, click, and they will directly reach to the Amazon page. You don't have to really redirect them to your ASIN first, and then from there on they're adding to the cart. You can predefine your whole campaign that buy 2, buy 1, buy 2, whatever. You can add the easy link to it, that buy 2, okay, this is the link, buy 3, this is the link, buy 4, this is the link. This can be done on your funnel page and customer can be directly rerouted to Amazon to make a payment. And lastly is, of course, you have so many options because when you're showing only a page which has got your products, you've got more chances to get more conversions from all other platforms like social media, Facebook, Twitter. Wherever you're promoting your products, you have more chances to get more conversions. So I hope you have, if you like this video, I would like you to put a thumbs up button. Just like this video, subscribe this channel, and in case you want to learn more about Amazon business, you can most welcome join my weekly webinars. I have got my complete mentorship program. You can be a part of that program. I teach drop shipping, I teach social media, I teach video marketing, I teach how to get business outside of Amazon for your products, how to start drop shipping, the multiple things to it. So in case you want to become a part of my mentorship program, you want to join amazing community of sellers which I teach, definitely you can be part to it. You will find all the descriptions, everything below this particular video. And let's catch up in the next video. Happy selling. Bye bye, take care. God bless to all of you guys.